Well, the shed's painted, and I have some temporary electrical in here, so let's start moving stuff in. Alright, here goes the battle so far. I got majority of the big equipment in here. I got the mill and a bunch of parts because I can't lift it when it's one piece. I got the lathe back there, the granite, and I got my little lathe bench here. Plan was to have everything moved in. I still have to move my concrete lathe in here. I have to move my CNC computer, and I have to move my CNC router, I guess I'll call it now. I want to get all that in here, and my blasting cabinet and an assembly table, but I gotta get what I have in here assembled and running because I actually have to make parts before I'll have enough time to get everything else set up. So it's gonna be a little chaotic, getting everything going. I do have a plan where the floor space, I've already pre-laid out everything, so I know it'll all fit. So actually it'll probably be easier to half assemble things. It'll give me more space to get more crap in here. It's not a big room once you start filling it, but it'll be nice to have it in one place. I wanted to have a place to be able to shoot all my video nicely without having to lug around tripods all the time, so I got this little camera, which is going to be directly above my milling table, and then it can also stick on the glass there. I still haven't removed the masking, I'm still painting that frame. And then I'm going to have probably maybe another one on this wall. It depends if I'm going to do storage on that wall. I have one over the door for another kind of weird angle. These are just acrylic plates, but then the suction cup thing, the GoPro suction things stick to it so I can get some cool angles. But anyways, till tomorrow. We got a little bit more work done. The time-lapse battery camera, the battery in the time-lapse camera died midway through, so I lost some footage on the stuff I brought in, but this is where we are right now. So we got the lathe bed set up, kind of, like I said, temporarily, so I can use it hopefully tomorrow. And I'm using it right now, but I got a little carried away because I decided to bring the CNC router in here. Fits just enough room for this to clear. Not have any issues, and I still got room to work. The monitor is going to be mounted probably up on the wall with a little tray for the keyboard. You can see the CNC mill stand is right there right now. It's going to be mounted about midway in the floor here, because once I build an enclosure for this and I turn it over to full CNC, I'm wanting it to be in kind of the same area that this computer is, because I think I'll control it with that. So there is rhyme and reason to my madness. This is the way having it set up, which should give me enough room to get everything in here. Still some room to access the places I need to go. The big lathe will go back there. Sandblasting cabinet will go there. The big CNC mill will go there, and we're looking at the lathe right now, so should work out. So says my paper drawing. Anyways, carrying on. Alright, so this is about as far as we got for setup last night. I got the mill here and plugged in, powered on. The lathe is now sitting here, plugged in, powered on. Good to go. Starting to make some pens again. I have a few rush orders I gotta get out, and then the next few days I'll keep working on the shed and bringing in more equipment and getting things rolling. I have to actually just get the CNC rolling in the next few minutes here because I gotta do some engraving. And yeah, that's gonna be awesome. I'm also super pumped because now I can stick cameras everywhere and I can see the outside world, which is better than living in the dungeon of a basement. So anyways, hopefully I'm able to shoot a lot more video, which means more content for you folks. I'm also really trying to shoot for a weekly update on this whole shed place now, because where I spend a bulk of my time, and I like to share it with the world because I like to watch videos like this. So I want to give back. I want to give back. I want to commit to a weekly video. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make that schedule, so I'd rather under-promise, over-deliver than, vice versa. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy these videos, and I'll just leave you with some machining. Awesome, thanks, bye.